Hi everyone, today's video is the Bases Loaded Lacquer video for Fan Friday, and the theme is space, and so I'm making a Galaxy Mani today. If you don't know about Bases Loaded Lacquer, it's an indie brand and they have a fun Facebook group and it's called Bases Loaded Lacquer Bleacher Creatures, and every week on Friday I feature a new nail art challenge, and whoever joins in on the nail art challenge gets their name put in the drawing for a month. So if you enter all of the Fan Fridays, then you get your name in there for each mani you do. So let's get started creating my Galaxy Mani. You're going to want to add a base coat. First, I'll be using this older black polish from the Bases Loaded Lacquer collection. It is called Game Over. It actually is my favorite black nail polish. I'm going to use this as my base color on all of my fingernails. Next, I'm going to use Shutout. I'm just going to put a little bit of Shutout on this cosmetic sponge. And I'm just going to sponge it where I want the galaxy. Now I have Throw Like a Girl. Next, I'm just going to put Throw Like a Girl on the sponge. And sponge that over the white. Now I'm going to use cotton candy. I'm going to put some more cotton candy over the top. For the last part, I'll be using one of the bingo toppers, and it's called Piz Wins Again. And this is my favorite of all the bingo toppers. I love this one. Now while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to take this brush, and I only want like a little bit of the sparkles on here, so I'm going to kind of get as much off the brush as I can. Just gonna kind of dab this around. Well, that didn't work. Okay, well. And it worked better on my pinky. That's what I was going for. But that's okay. I'll just put more on there. My topper. And then I'm just going to put some in here. Now I'm just going to add the top coat. This is the finished mani. I hope you like this quick and easy galaxy design. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.